Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you all our recent lychee picking trip. It's so much fun to pick them because they are so incredibly sweet and you can even eat while you feed. I really love it and I highly recommend trying it out. Just keep in mind that it gets very hot, so make sure to wear a hat and comfortable shoes. And bring also water just in case you get thirst. So that's it guys, thank you. So let's have a great time. As you can see guys, the lychee farm is massive and you are free to choose any tree you like. Being there picking the fruit and eating it straight from the branch is an unforgettable memory. It is a truly enjoyable experience. You can harvest as much as you like and pay 20 shekels a kilo afterward. It's so sweet, it's totally worth it. Guys, I just noticed there's a lot of bees in the lychee farm. Maybe they are probably attracted to the sweet lychee flowers for pollination. At first, I was afraid and so because I'm afraid that I would get stung. But I guess they are not harmful as long as you keep your distance. So you can go as far as you like to pick lychees and then walk back to the front afterward. As you can see guys, my boyfriend and I ate a lot of lychees while picking them. I guess he really enjoyed coming here. Even though picking can be tiring, it is worth the time because you will feel great and stress free. Honey,
Udah.
Tam, oh bihnin.
Lima apa?
Tayo daya po.
Ada ya udah ya. Lama lagi deh.
Banda doon tay. Banda doon tay marami. Matamis pati. Doon. Yung malalaki yung butlig-butlig yun yung matamis. Diyan, diretso mo lang yan tay. Te, marami doon te. Ay. Oh, lumada. Te, marami doon te. Ito. Ano yung apple?
Lima ta?
Ito, bata. Alibaba. Inom ng tubig.
Uhaw ka, be? Huwag kang boiling.
Binibidyo ko, be. Tagal mo muna yung
Kaya
plastic.
dito. O, dito ilagay yung balat.
Di ba yung baso, te? Kain muna tayo, hindi na tayo kakain.
Wala sa'yo mo yung mga nandiyan. Yung pupuan ng mga inupak.
Come on, let's eat muna. Look na liyak, call. Ma. Kain muna tayo.
Ilapin nyo lang ang pagkain. Mamaya ialis na rin tayo. Dito lang.
So guys, this is all the lychee we harvested together. My friends and I are happy we can bring it home. So that's it. Thank you for watching.